so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, high. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go, gonna go, gonna go there. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher.
Ayan na, dumating na yung taga-Alinam. Hi guys. Chamare, sana all na pera. Ayan guys, unti-unti nang parating ating mga guests. Hello guys. Hello. Ganda pogi. Hello, Tao Vlog. Hello. Hello. Mwah. Hi, ciao Chloe, salute. Hi. Ito ang mami ng celebrant natin. Kaya pa ng power. So ayan, dumating na po sila. Tagay, tagay. Palas. Ciao. So ito ang ating masisipag na catering. Wow, it's a video. Hi. Hello girls. Hello girls. Shout out. Hello girls. Ciao. Hello, taga-Alinam. Taga-Alinam. Oh, taga-Tarlac. Hello, taga-saan ka?
Taga-Brescia.
Brescia. Brescia. Kate? Brescia, Manila.
Quezon.
Quezon.
Bellissima.
Grazie. Oh, yung sayaw natin ah.
Sumama ka na.
Hello, neighbor! Ito ang ating mga masisipag na barista. Shout out.
Mga handsome at mga pogi.
Yes.
Mga sexy daw at pogi.
Yes. Pangilang balik na yan? O, first pa. First pa lang. First pa lang. O, sige. I sent the video. Ciao, baby girl. Peace. Look at you. Ciao.
Everyone, may we ask everyone to please rise.
Wala sana po tayo dito. And un applauso to the great mother of our career, our beautiful sister, Tika Eileen. Naku po, malakas po palakpak. Ang isa ng Diyos, ang maravillosa, donna della vita della nostra Carillia. And of course, another great woman sa buhay ng ating debutant, the one and only sister, little sister na hindi na po that little. Let us all welcome sa pangalawa kong grande applauso la nostra bellissima Carla! All here sa Mondutico per celebrare 18 anni della vita della nostra Carile, 18 years of God's goodness and faithfulness. And here we are, let us all stand, ready na po nilang yung mga cellphone to witness this wonderful moment of our life. Let us all welcome our beautiful and dear Carile. Glorious 18th birthday to our beautiful debut. And kung katulad po tuwid red one.
Loving can hurt. I'll sweep you off of your feet.